Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn on likes notifications on your account on TikTok. Easy and quick. First, click on your profile icon like this. Now click settings and click on these three lines first. Click settings and privacy. Now here you will find notifications. Click on it, and here you will find likes. You have to just click like this and it will be turned on, and that's how to turn on likes notification settings. Easy and quick, and that's it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and I hope this video is helpful for you. And thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.